Number 13. The bike trail in a park consists of two semicircles or half circles and two straight segments as illustrated. The radius of each half circle is 1 mile and the length of each straight segment is 3 miles. Janae will make one trip around the entire bike trail. So before I even look at the question, I'm going to take a look here. Somebody wrote on my copy of the test. Let's see if I cannot erase that, but it's okay. We're going to need it anyway. I'm going to draw some imaginary lines here, specifically right here. Let's try that again so that this is a straight line. And then the same right here so that you can see the halves of the circle. That's what semicircle means. There's one full circle. And then I also have a rectangle sitting here. So let me color that one for you also. Now I want you to be very, very careful with those lines that I drew in because they're not really there. That's important to remember. They're just there to help me visualize what's going on in this problem. This is a composite figure, which means that we're going to have a circle and a rectangle. You could have a rectangle and a triangle, two separate figures, in other words. So we have a rectangle, that's the orange part, plus a circle to deal with here. And we want to know the distance around that bike trail, one full distance. So that is a perimeter for the rectangle. It's a circumference for the circle. So if you want to go back and get your formulas for this, you can do it on the formula sheet. But a rectangle is 2 times length plus 2 times width. And then the circle is going to be pi times 2r. So I just brought in my formulas for those pieces. But remember with the rectangle, those lines that I drew are not really there. Those are the width lines. So I'm going to eliminate those 2 lines that I drew. We do not want to count those. We want to count the length of the rectangle and the circle. So we actually come up with perimeter is 2 times the length of the rectangle, that's 3, plus pi times 2 times the radius of those circles, or the circle, is a 1. So perimeter is 2 times 3, that's 6, plus pi times 2. Pi is 3.14 times 2. So it looks like I'm going to have a 6 plus a 6.28. So the perimeter or the distance around there is 12.28. But they want me to round it to the nearest tenth. So that's going to be about 12.3. And that is in terms of miles. So I like answer D. And I like that problem. I love geometry though.